Hello everyone, welcome back to Captions. If you want to turn live caption on or off on your Android phone, you have come to the right place. Live caption automatically creates captions for videos, podcasts, voice messages, and other audio to playing on your device, even if the content doesn't already have subtitles. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable or disable this feature. Let's get it started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now, look for hearing enhancements or hearing depending on your Android version. Then tap Live Caption. Here you will see the main toggle for Live Caption. If you want to use Live Caption, simply turn it on. If you don't want captions to appear automatically, just turn it off. While you're here, you can also explore a few additional settings. For example, you can download or change supported languages if they are available on your device. You can also adjust auto live caption options to make the features work the way you prefer. Now, let's see how to use it. Instead of playing a video, a voice message, or any audio on your phone, if live caption is enabled, a small live caption button may appear on your screen. Tap it to quickly turn captions on or off. You can also touch and hold the captions window, then drag it anywhere on the screen to move it to a more comfortable position. Keep in mind that the exact location of these settings may be slightly different depending on your phone model and Android version. And that's it. That's how you can easily enable or disable live caption on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.